Hello everybody, welcome back to McCards on the Move. Today I'm going to be showing you what I'm doing with the RV. I decided I needed more battery for when we boondock, and I bought a 280 amp hour LItime battery from Amazon. It was fairly inexpensive. It was less than $500, and it gives me way more usage than what my lead acid battery did. It was 84 amp hours on the other one. This one's 280. I have an auto detect in my camper, so I was able to put it in, and then I just left everything unplugged and let it run itself down to zero by running the refrigerator and stuff, and then it charged it right back up to 100%. So it worked great. My problem is I hooked this thing up and I had a battery box. I couldn't find a good battery box that was the exact size of the battery. The one I have is a little bit larger. So I had to figure out a way to get this thing in here. You can see it's only slightly larger without it moving around. Well, I had these straps that came with the original battery, but they just don't seem to hold the way I like them to. I stuck those pool noodles in there, but I'm not comfortable with that. I don't think this is a very good idea, and I'm sure you guys are going to tell me it's not. So my plan is I've got a couple of pieces of aluminum. I'm going to bolt them to the bottom, and then from there I will make some straps that go up and over the battery and hold it in nice and tight. I'll let you see how it goes. All right, once those are off, so you can see LItime, 12.8 volt, 280 amp hours. That's a nice size battery. I know a lot of you guys see people with the lithiums going to these big extravagant systems where it, has an extra inverter and charger and controller and all of that you add on. You're talking $10,000, $12,000. This is an easy option for you. $500 or less. I mean, you can use, in the original battery box that was here, I could have bought two 100 amp hour LItime batteries, and they would have went right in that box. But I was trying to get a little extra. I figured the more the better, and so I bought this box. It was like, I think $30. It's designed for a different battery. I can't find one for those exact dimensions, but it's close enough. Get rid of all my pool noodles here. That was kind of a dumb idea, but I was just trying to figure something out and see what we can strap in there. All right, I've got these scrap pieces of angle iron. I'm gonna cut those down, make a little box, and then what I'm gonna do is I'll cut a little small piece of it, and so the battery will fit down in the box like this. It'll set in it like this, and then what I'll do is I'll take and weld just a small chunk of it so that I can put a hole like that and strap it from one side to the other. All right, quick test fit there before I weld it up. But I've got my my box built here, and it sits in it. I left just a little bit of a gap because I'm going to put some foam tape around the inside to stop for vibrations. Then this will get welded like this to the side. I can put some holes in it, and then I'll be able to just put a strap over it. We'll be good to go. Let's see if I can get some tracks on here. You are. One box built. As you can see, my welds are not beautiful. but they'll definitely hold. Alright, so quick test fit. Nice fit. We've got about a 1/4 inch all the way around, which will be perfect when I put my foam in there, help pad it. And my idea is I have this ratchet strap, so I'll cut it down, make it a little shorter. I'll drill a hole in here so I can just hook it right underneath like that, and then hook the other side, and then I'll be able to just on top ratchet it down, make it nice and tight. I think that'll hold it pretty good. I went out there and I marked my 4 holes. Just got to drill those out too, so I can bolt it directly down to the base. Should be nice and sturdy after that. Mount the bracket inside the box. Get it centered up. All right, there you have it, bolted in, and it goes all the way through to 2x4 underneath. Now I just got to put the padding in, strap it down. So there's your finished product. You can see I got the bracket down in there, the ratchet strap is strapped to it, battery doesn't move, nice and solid. So check the description down below. You'll see a link to the LItime battery that I bought. I am not sponsored by them, but I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through the link, we will receive a small portion of that purchase. Stay tuned, because next week we have a big announcement coming for you.